that's like the easiest trailing stop to use.
And once I get into trades, I'm really in, I feel like a good trade, but I'm just exiting too early.
Great question. I get this question a lot, by the way. So you're certainly not the only one to ask it. It's something that a lot of people struggle with. First of all, let me ask you what markets you trade.
Pretty much just two. I actually like the Australian Stock Exchange and Wall Street 30, so like the rolling cash.
Okay. And are you day trading or are you swing trading?
That day trading, like
day trading.
Maybe one, like usually the first hour of the Australian Stock Exchange, like 10 in the morning to 11 in the morning. That's really the only time I have, and then late at night when New York first opens, that first hour. So pretty much just 1 to 2 hours a day, but lately it's been just a little bit less because of everything going on, and like pretty busy with the end of the year here with the martial arts school. So, but they're the 2 hours I do.
Okay, and last question on this: what time interval do you use for your charts?
3 minute for all the entries, and then the 9 minute for the confirmation.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so yes, given what you said, I think the Heikin-Ashi would be very helpful for you. I would not use the Heikin-Ashis on your actual trading chart. I would have a separate chart, a separate one, and you could, well, let's say another 3 minute chart. And on that one, you put the Heikin-Ashi bars. You don't need any of the indicators. I wouldn't even put any indicators, no moving averages, nothing. Just pure price and just the Heikin-Ashi bars, because you're going to see all the other stuff on the 3 minute chart you're currently using, right? So you don't need to duplicate too much, and you don't want to get distracted or overwhelmed with too much information. All you want to do, so let's say you take a long trade based on the trading methodology, and you can stay into that trade as you don't even use the Heikin-Ashi for entry. So use your usual stuff for entry, and the only thing you use the Heikin-Ashi for is once you get into a trade, just watch it, and as long as those candles are green, the Heikin-Ashi candles are green, you can stay in. Okay, especially if they're kind of a wide range bar or just decent range bar. Now, as it goes up and up and up and up, if they start getting to be narrow range bars on those Heikin-Ashis, like little dojis or whatever, then I take some contracts off right there. Depends how many shares that you're trading. And then, so I take partial profits, because sometimes it'll go up, and it's very normal actually for it to go up and then to pause a little bit. Some people are taking profits. So it's the typical stair step pattern, right? Goes up and then slight retrace, and then they'll make another leg up, slight retrace, make another leg up. And how far will it go? Well, we don't know, but since you're only trading for, and this is why I wanted to ask this question, since you're only trading for an hour at a time and you're using 3 minute charts, you're probably not going to be catching any big 5-wave trends, right? There's just not enough time. So you're basically going to be a scalper, which is fine.
And then, that's fine with me. I just want my, 25 to 50 points a day, and I'm quite happy.
Yeah, exactly. So in that case, I wouldn't even wait for multiple waves. I would just use those Heikin-Ashi bars as long as they're green. Stay in. Once they start getting newer range, if you want to lock in some profits, cool. If the bars actually turn red on the Heikin-Ashi, then get out of the whole position. So that's it.
So as soon as you get one red bar, you exit completely.
Yeah, for you, like I say, I would answer that question differently depending on if somebody is trading the whole day, where they're looking for a big long trend and they've got the time to stay in it, but you really don't.